Hey, Jonathan from Buffalo Modular, and I'm on my way right now to one of the factories that we work with, and I'm going to be walking one of the homeowners through their new home while it's under construction. It's a pretty amazing process, so I thought I'd take you along with me. But just a little backstory on this house specifically. This is one of our Barndominiums that they're doing. It's about 1,200 square feet, and it's got a vaulted ceiling in the great room, kitchen, dining room sort of area, and that very similar to a chalet, but it's a single story. So I thought I'd take you along with me so you can see what's going on here. So that wraps up our factory tour. The owners got to walk through their home under construction. This one was through framing and in the middle of electrical being run. And so it was a pretty amazing thing to be able to see. You got to see that kind of temporary ceiling that's in that vaulted space. And we even showed you some of the, where the ceiling line is going to be up above. When we do the tour through the house later on, after the house is on site, we'll show you what that looks like when it's all done. You can see all the windows in and everything like that. But it's a pretty amazing thing. So this is a normal part of our design process, is to set up a time to take you through the factory, whether it's seeing your home specifically, seeing homes that are being worked on, whatever that might be. It doesn't always work out for everybody, but it's a great thing if we can schedule that and get that on the calendar to be able to go there and do that. I mean, how many times you're going to be building a home? It's a pretty amazing thing to be able to walk through these things with you. So please reach out to us with any questions you have. Leave comments below. Let us know what things you liked, what things you didn't like about this layout and how this came together. We didn't really talk a whole lot about the layout in here, but you probably got a chance to kind of see open concepts, see a couple bedrooms, bathroom space, closets, and things like that. So thanks for watching as always, and reach out to us about your building project.